Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Atago pear, and I looked up the pronunciation before we came out here because I always feel like I'm mispronouncing varieties from other places. This is an Asian pear, and it comes in a little bit later. We're just about at the first day of spring. This is not only ripe; it is begging to be picked. I mean, this is the third year we've had this. So we planted it and we have massive amounts of fruit in the third year. We may not have gotten it last year because the pear section of our orchard is still kind of developing, and there may not have been enough pollen out there for this to set fruit. In terms of appearance, it looks like Chojuro a little bit. We didn't thin this fruit at all. I'm sure that if I came out here and I did a better job thinning fruit when it first set, that these pears would be huge. Because even though I didn't thin it, they're still pretty good size. So let's go ahead and pull one off and take a taste. That is a great tasting pear. I would say, on the exterior, it looks a little bit more like Chojuro, which has got a darker skin to it, but the taste is more like Shinseiki or Nijisseiki, which are two other Asian pears that come in earlier in the season. So just to review in terms of ripening sequence for our Asian pears here, the sequence is basically Nijisseiki pear, Shinseiki pear, and then Chojuro pear, and then we're now at Atago. The sequence of fruiting is always very important to us because we want to have enough fruit at any point in the late summer and early fall, but we don't want to get overwhelmed. In fact, we've had quite a few European and Asian pears so far. So what we're going to do is dehydrate this and see how that goes. This is Atago pear. It's a great tasting, later ripening Asian pear that does extremely well for us up here in the San Juan Islands in our maritime Pacific Northwest environment.